It's 2025, and making over $3,000 a month is easier than you think. But how? Actually, your website is not just a hub for your audience, but a steady source of passive income. Don't you have one? Don't worry, it's easy to make one with the help of AI tools. In this video, I will also tell you where and how to build your own website, as it's the right time to start your own website because with this website, making thousands of dollars every single month is reality. And I want you to join this reality. If you already have a website, whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or any content-driven platform, this website offers an easy-to-use ad network designed to help you effectively monetize your web and mobile traffic. By the way, I will reveal the website in a moment, please. Let's walk through the entire process, from signing up to optimizing your earnings, and explore just how much you could potentially make. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. And let me appreciate these 2 clicks because it will help my channel to grow. Let's get started. What is this platform? First, let's understand the platform. It is a robust advertising network that provides publishers with tools to turn their website traffic into revenue. It specializes in multiple ad formats, ensuring there's something for every type of audience. From pop-under ads to push notifications, each format is tailored to balance user experience with revenue generation. Unlike other networks, it simplifies the integration process and offers competitive CPM rates, making it an attractive choice for anyone looking to make money online. Step 1. Sign up and create your account. To get started, head over to this website. The registration process is straightforward. Simply click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details, your name, email, and information about your website. This part doesn't take long, and once you verify your email, your account is ready to go. Your dashboard will be your control center, where you can set up ads, monitor performance, and track your earnings. Step 2. Choose the right ad formats. It provides various ad formats, each designed to suit different audience types and website needs. Choosing the right ad format is key to maximizing your revenue while maintaining a good user experience. Let's explore your options. 1. Pop-under ads. These ads open in a new browser tab when visitors interact with your site. They're effective because they don't interrupt the user's browsing experience directly. Plus, they are fully compatible with other networks like AdSense and boast high CPM rates. 2. Push notifications. Push notifications are subtle browser alerts sent to users who opt in. They don't take up space on your website but continue to generate revenue even when users aren't actively browsing your site. 3. Vignette banners. These are native banners with a clean design that includes a header, description, and call to action button. They tend to have higher CPM and click-through rates compared to standard banners. 4. In-page push ads. These ads resemble native banners but appear directly on your site, blending seamlessly with your content. They work well across devices and platforms, ensuring broad compatibility. 5. Interstitial ads. These are skippable ads that temporarily overlap your content. They're highly visible, which translates to better click-through rates and higher earnings. 6. Smart Link. Direct link. A unique feature of this website, Smart Link is a special URL that directs visitors to the most relevant offers based on their interests. It's an excellent way to monetize varied traffic sources, including paid and redirect traffic. Understanding your audience's preferences and behavior will help you decide which ad format to implement. Step 3. Integrate ads into your website. Once you've selected the ad formats that align with your goals, it's time to implement them on your site. Here's how. 1. Access the ad code. Navigate to Dashboard and go to the Ad Code section. 2. Copy the code. Select the desired ad format and copy the corresponding HTML code. 3. Embed the code. Paste the code into your website's HTML where you want the ads to appear. It provides detailed guides and support to help with integration. Whether you're using a CMS like WordPress or managing a custom-coded site, their resources make it easy to get started. Step 4. Monitor and optimize performance. After setting up the ads, the real work begins. Its dashboard is packed with analytics tools that let you monitor impressions, clicks, and revenue in real time. Regularly checking these metrics will help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Here are a few tips to optimize your ad performance. Experiment with placement. Test different positions for your ads to find the sweet spot that generates the most clicks without disrupting user experience. Analyze traffic sources. Understand where your visitors are coming from and tailor your ad strategy to their preferences. Refine formats. If certain ad formats perform better than others, focus on those. For instance, pop-under ads might work well for some audiences, while in-page push ads might be better for others. Optimization is an ongoing process, so don't be afraid to experiment and tweak your approach. Step 5. Withdraw your earnings. It offers flexible payment methods and a low withdrawal threshold of just $5. Payments are processed weekly, ensuring you get timely access to your hard-earned money. Simply link your preferred payment method, PayPal, bank transfer, or another option available on the platform, and withdraw your earnings whenever you reach the threshold. How much can you earn? The question everyone wants an answer to. How much money can you really make? While specific figures depend on factors like traffic volume, audience demographics, and ad placement, here's a general breakdown. Daily earnings. With moderate traffic, you could earn between $50 and $100. Monthly earnings. Over a month, this translates to $1,500 to $3,000. Why this website? Well, the website is called Monetag, and it stands out because of its user-friendly interface, variety of ad formats, and reliable payouts. Unlike some platforms, it prioritizes the balance between maximizing revenue and maintaining a positive user experience. This means you can earn without alienating your audience. Moreover, Monetag's support team is always available to assist you with setup and troubleshooting, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced publishers alike. How to create a website. If you don't have a website, creating one is easier than ever, and you can do it for free with AI tools. Start with platforms like Wix, AI, or Durable, which use artificial intelligence to design a personalized website for you in minutes. All you need to do is describe your idea or business, and the AI will handle the rest, creating layouts, adding images, and even writing basic content. For those who prefer more customization, WordPress.com offers free plans, and tools like 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿 can guide you through the process step by step. With these AI-powered tools, you can have a professional-looking website up and running without spending a dime or needing technical skills. Start earning today. By now, you should have a clear idea of how to get started with Monetag and what to expect from the process. Here's a quick recap. 1. Sign up on Monetag's website. 2. Choose ad formats that align with your audience's preferences. 3. Integrate ad codes seamlessly into your site. 4. Monitor and optimize performance using the Monetag dashboard. 5. Withdraw your earnings and scale your strategy. Remember, building a reliable income stream takes time and effort. Start small, experiment, and gradually refine your approach. With Monetag, the potential for turning your website traffic into a passive income source is within reach. So, what are you waiting for? Head to Monetag, sign up, and start monetizing today. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on how to make money online on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next